Provisioning tutorial. Step 2. Add and configure an AD target system. In this step, we'll add an AD target system and configure its data model. Let's begin. Go to Systems, Overview. Click Add. Select Active Directory for system type. Enter a system name. For this example, AD. Click Save. The new system is added to the Configured Systems pane. Click Configure. Enter your AD domain. For example, t4edemo.com. Click Test Connection. If NIM can successfully communicate with your AD domain, a success message is returned. Click Save. Go to the Configuration tab. In the Search Base dropdown, change the root OU that NIM will work from. For this example, we'll select t4edemo.com/docs. Select the checkbox for each data table to collect from AD. For this example, we'll select groups, memberships, organizational units, and users. Click Save. Click Collect to initially collect data for the AD system. Expand the system's table list and go to one of the tables to confirm that data has been collected. Now we need to select which attributes to collect. Expand the system's table list and go to the Users table. Then go to the Settings tab. By default, the following shown user attributes are collected from AD. For this example, we'll additionally collect the employee ID. Click Save. Finally, collect this system's data again by going to the Overview and clicking Collect. While we're here, we will also collect the CSV system again, just in case it has changed. The next step is to assign primary keys to tables, like we did for the CSV system. Expand the system's table list and go to the Users table. Then go to the Columns tab. We'll select the object GUID as this table's key and distinguish name as its display name. Click Save. Repeat this process for the other data tables in this system. Set the primary keys and display names as shown. Finally, collect this system's data again by going to the Overview and clicking Collect. The final step is to establish relations between tables in this system, like we did for the CSV system. There is only one table in our AD target system that needs intrasystem relations, the Memberships table, which stands in between users and groups. Expand the AD system's table list and go to the Memberships table. Then go to the Relations tab. Manually add the following foreign primary key relations as shown. Click Save. Collect both systems' data once again by going to the Overview and clicking Collect for each system. This concludes the provisioning tutorial step 2.